What is it and how can folks find it?
Yeah, it's called the Data Nerd Podcast. So you see my hat, the Data Nerd.
I see it. Yep.
That
And you got to
tableau
let us
pod.
know if we can get the merch, if we can, if how we can get it.
Well, actually, I have some ideas. There might be some
Okay.
prizes that I'm coming up with, and people can win these hats.
Very cool.
But
Very cool. Very
follow
cool.
me on LinkedIn and stay up to date, and maybe you may be able to win some of the merch. I went to a Tableau conference. This was Las Vegas. I forget which year it was, but I forgot to bring a hat. And so I was walking around, and I was like, I need a hat. So I went to a lid store on the Strip, and I walked in, and I'm like, what hat can I get? And I saw like a plain hat, and I'm like, okay, I can just write something on here.
Mhm.
What do I write on it? Okay, let me just put Data Nerd on there. And then I wrote Data Nerd just like this in this font with a period at the end, and I wore it. And I got it made. It didn't even take that long. And I wore it to the conference, and people were like, "Oh, I really like that hat. Where'd you get it from?" And I told them the story, and I'm like, I usually like to wear hats, and now I made this myself. And then when I started a podcast, I was thinking of a name, and I looked at my hat. I'm like, this is it.